how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, example is 10 divided by 4 over 5. In dividing a whole number by a fraction, let's follow keep, change, flip rule. Okay, keep means we will keep the whole number 10, change division to multiplication, and flip or get the reciprocal of 4 over 5. 4 becomes our denominator and 5 becomes the numerator. So this is 10 times 5 over 4. Okay, now let's multiply. 10 times 5, that's 50. And just copy the denominator 4. So this is 50 over 4. This is improper fraction, and to simplify, we have to convert this to mixed number. Okay, let's just divide. 50 divided by 4, then this is equal to 12. 12 times 4 is 48, and 50 minus 48 is 2. So the mixed number is 12 and 2 over 4. Okay, the fraction 2 over 4 can be simplified. The common factor is 2. So let's simplify. 2 divided by 2, that's 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Don't forget the whole number 12, so the final answer is 12 and 1/2. Okay, number 2, 15 divided by 2 over 3. So using keep, change, flip rule, keep 15, change division to multiplication, flip or get the reciprocal of 2 over 3. This is 3 over 2. Okay, now let's multiply. 15 times 3, then that's equal to 45, and copy the denominator 2. Okay, improper fraction, then we have to simplify by converting this one to mixed number. Okay, so 45 divided by 2, then that's equal to 22. 22 times 2 is 44, and 45 minus 44 is 1. So our mixed number is 22 and 1/2. So this is now our final answer. Okay, you can try it also for 20 divided by 3 over 4, and what's your answer?